Write this polynomial as the product of two binomials. The product of two binomials of this form shows a pattern in the values of a and b. The coefficient of the x term is a plus b, while the constant term is the product of a and b. With this polynomial, this term represents a plus b, and this term represents a times b. If this polynomial can be factored, then we need to find the factors of -10 that add up to +3. So here are the factor pairs for -10, or the a times b. We have 1 times -10, -1 times 10, 2 times -5, and -2 times 5. Which factor pairs will add up to 3? So now we're looking for the a plus b. As you can see, this factor pair adds up to 3. -2 plus 5 is equal to 3. So therefore, this polynomial can be factored as x minus 2 times x plus 5.